Good morning, you guys. How are you? I know I look crazy, but it is raining. Um, I wasn't expecting to rain yesterday and today, and so I'm here in the garden. Just got the chickens watered and fed, and y'all, I came out and I've been looking at this for a couple of days right now. My hardneck garlics are kind of tipping over, and usually when they tip over, it means that they are done. I'm a little bit disappointed though because I'm not getting cloves. I'm getting like one bulb. Anyways, let me show you what I'm talking about. I think it's time to like pull these babies out of the ground. I'm gonna wait a couple of days. I'm not gonna water the bed, but I think they're done. Let's take a look. So here is one that I just pulled. Oh, by the way, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my garden and me. Anyways, so see how it's flopping over? I got a couple that's doing that. But instead of getting garlic cloves, I'm getting one giant clove. Now, smells delicious. I wish y'all could smell this. It smells so good, you guys. So good. But this is not what we were hoping for. So, anyways, I do have a couple in here that is kind of like doing the same thing. I'm going to show you guys real quick. But I'm going to pull a couple of them and see. And then I think the rest, I'm going to let it dry out a little bit and then get them. All right, so let me flip y'all back around. Okay, y'all, so let's see. This one, if you can see that, it is a giant. Look at, wow. Okay, but it's still standing tall. So I don't want to pluck that out right yet, okay? But it's getting there, y'all. This one, ooh, let's see this one. Again, one big fat bulb, but it hasn't separated. Sorry, hold on. It hasn't separated in bulbs yet. So I'm gonna leave that alone too. This one, oof, yeah, nice big fat bulb, but it hasn't separated. But you see how wimpy it looks? So I'm not gonna water these as much as I have been watering them. I'm just gonna kind of let them go. This one, let me see. Oh my God, y'all, this one is very wide in diameter. Okay, so, but y'all look at them. See, they look like they're getting ready to be done in comparison to these guys. These are the California soft necks. And they're standing tall, y'all. So I don't know. Y'all let me know. I just don't want to get a bunch of these. I mean, it's still okay. They smell delicious, right? But this one was certainly done because it was just laying over. And I didn't want to leave it to rot in the ground. And typically, because of the heat over here, we don't tend to, hard necks are really hard to grow over here, but I'll take it. So yeah, I'm gonna go inside. Y'all, I know I keep saying it, but my job is trying to kill me. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. I will talk to y'all soon. I hope you all have a great Saturday. Mine is going to be spent indoors doing indoor things because it is raining. It's not raining hard, but it's raining. If there gets a break out here, I might come out and do some stuff. But I think I'm going to go inside and work on the last 2 garden beds that I have. So yeah, maybe I'll put you guys on a time lapse for y'all to see me do that and just be done with them. Come out here, put them in, fill them in with the soil and the compost that I got, my free compost. And yeah, if the weather like permits, that's what I'll be doing. All right, you guys, I will see y'all later, or I'll see y'all on another video. All right, bye. Y'all, check out the spider web under the water. Y'all, I forgot to get the eggs. And they're gonna make them so muddy that I just need to grab them. Let me just go do that. So muddy in here. I love the rain. I hate mud. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, 3, 7. All right. Y'all, does your chickens only lay in one spot? Go ahead. I see bugs are down there. Have at it. Go for it, girls. Get them. Yeah. I gotta get their nesting boxes changed out. Am I gonna do it in this rain though? Probably not. If the rain lets out, I guess I'll get it then. Ooh, treats, treats. What bugs are you picking at out there? Oh, your friends are coming. All right, let's put this back down, y'all.